The practice I'm going to be introducing to you is the 3-step breathing space that was curated by Oxford Mindfulness Center for the purpose of gathering our scattered mind and to reduce the stress that we're experiencing. When we do this practice, it will come in very handy when we are being challenged and feeling overwhelmed. So now just find a comfortable posture. You can be standing or sitting. You can either leave your eyes open or lower your gaze or close your eyes. So in step 1, tune into your body. Sense the different sensations that may be present. There may be sensing of tingling, throbbing, tightness in different parts of the body. And now tune into the environment and notice the sounds that are present. Now notice what the thoughts are that are going through your mind. Step 2, drop into your beautiful breath. Take a few deep breaths. Follow the breath from the start of your in-breath to the end of your out-breath. Feel the in-breath nourishing your body. And the out-breath is relaxing your body. Step 3, expand your awareness to take in the entire body. To be aware of the posture your body is in and the space it's taking up in the room. Breathing into any areas in your body that is feeling tense or uncomfortable. You can even use the word relax as you sense into the tightness or discomfort. And now just rest your mind on your breath. Wherever you feel your breath is most present. And you can stay with the breath for as long as you like. So this practice enables you to have the awareness to drop into your breath whenever you feel stressed or challenged or even overwhelmed, so that you can choose a more supportive response in the situation.